Deportation. What is the process of deportation, or are there multiple processes?
Well, in the typical situation, what would happen is if you are here as an immigrant and the government believes that you are subject to deportation, subject to removal, they would issue you what is called a notice to appear. A notice to appear can be issued by USCIS, which handles traditional immigration. It can be issued by Immigration Customs Enforcement, whose job it is to kick people out of the country, or it could be issued by Customs and Border Patrol, either at the border or after they catch someone after the border. And in the notice to appear, it would say, your name is Jim Hacking. You are not a citizen of the United States. You are a citizen of Honduras. Upon information and belief, you entered the United States on May 3rd, 2022. You had a visa at that time, or you entered without inspection. Your status in the United States expired on such and such a date, and you're not in current possession of a valid visa to be present in the United States. So those are the factual allegations. I said this yesterday to my team. It's a whole lot packed into a single page. Then underneath that are the statutory provisions that render you deportable. And then what's supposed to be on there is a notice of hearing, the location, date, and time of your deportation hearing. And if you're not in expedited removal, eventually you would have a court date, and you would then appear at that court date. You would admit or deny the factual allegations as to what your status is. You would admit or deny the statutory basis for removal, and then you'd also have the right to raise any defenses to removal, like I deserve asylum in the United States, or I deserve cancellation of removal, or whatever other legal reasons are that you think you have to stay in the United States as a defense of deportation.